When you hear the word diabetes, a lot of us will picture this, or even maybe this. And that's understandable. After all, diabetes is diabetes, right? Well, there are actually key differences between type 1 and type 2 diabetes to the point where some people want the name of the two changed and better reflect those differences. Firstly, what actually is type 1 diabetes and how does it affect someone like Maximilian? Speaking over video chat, he asked his mother, an NHS diabetes nurse, to explain some facts about the disease.
So, definition of diabetes is basically an umbrella term to imply all metabolic disorder, which basically characterized by chronic hyperglycemia together with disturbance of carbohydrate, fat, and protein metabolism, resulting from defect in insulin secretions or insulin action or boost.
In the UK, it is estimated that out of all the adults with diabetes, only 10% have type 1, and a giant 90% have type 2 diabetes. To add to that, looking at the prevalence of type 1 and 2 diabetes among Maximilian's age group, including non-diabetics, only 1.7% of people aged between 16 and 24 have the disease, which works out to 0.25%. That's one person every 400 people aged between 16 and 24. With the average age of death for someone like Maximilian being 66, it means he has an average of 48 years left on this earth. This makes him think about what really matters in life and to try and live to the fullest that he can do, and not allow his type 1 diabetes to be a defining characteristic for who he is and what he can do.